Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Calendly to schedule a meeting. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're just new to Calendly and you set up one of your events or meetings or appointments. How do people actually go ahead and schedule meetings with you? So this is just going to be a demonstration, and I'll show you what it looks like from the invitees end and also what it looks like from your end. So if we go ahead and open up one of our calendars here, you'll see that this is one of my demo calendars, just these one-off meeting 2 and one-off meeting 1. This is what your invitee is going to see if you send them this link or if you send them the specific link here. So notice how I access this calendar by clicking on this link here. And this other calendar here, if I open up a new tab, this will just take me directly to that calendar. So from an invitee's point of view, when they click on the calendar or appointment that's available, they can click on it and then click on a time frame that's available. So this right here corresponds to what your calendar settings are within here. So notice how the event is 45 minutes long, and it also says that it's 45 minutes long. Notice how that invitees can schedule indefinitely into the future, but maybe I want to change this to 4 calendar days. So if I click on save and close and then click on refresh to here, you'll now see that I'm only able to schedule 4 days in advance. So on the 6th, 9, and 10. Now, once your invitee selects a time that works for them, so we'll choose December 9th at, let's say 10:30 a.m. and then click on next. They just need to fill out their name, email, and any additional details that they want to send over to you and then click on schedule an event. So once that event is scheduled, one thing to point out is that I have this thing called a buffer time, which means that because I scheduled an appointment from 10:30 to 11:15 a.m., I will get a 15-minute buffer after this appointment ends so that I can take a break, or maybe I can go ahead and use the bathroom. This really works well for me just because I don't like when my appointments or meetings are set back to back. But that right there is how to use Calendly for appointments. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.